Hello students, we will study exercise 5.8 about first Rolle's theorem. It is in textbook theorem number 6, Rolle's theorem, and questions depend on this Rolle's theorem, and also other theorem is mean value theorem. After this we will prove mean value theorem. So let's see here Rolle's theorem क्या होता है. So what is Rolle's theorem? Let f be a real valued function defined on the closed interval ab such that one function is given f such that ab belongs to R. That means a and b must be real number. So Rolle's theorem का स्टेटमेंट मेन क्या है कि इसमें तीन कंडीशन, देयर आर थ्री कंडीशंस to satisfy Rolle's theorem. Number one is it is continuous in closed interval ab. कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. It is differentiable in open interval ab. Then fa is equal to ab. Then there exists a real number c in ab such that f dash is equal to 0. तीन कंडीशन जो है ये रोल्स थ्योरम के लिए ये हमें कंडीशन दिखाना पड़ेगा. तो ये जो तीन, देयर आर थ्री कंडीशंस हियर. कंटिन्यूस भी होना चाहिए, और जब कंटिन्यूस होगा, इफ इट इज कंटिन्यूस इट मस्ट बी डिफरेंशिएबल, और ये कंटिन्यूस होगा क्लोज इंटरवल में एंड डिफरेंशिएबल इन ओपन इंटरवल. क्लोज्ड, आई थिंक यू नो दिस थिंग. क्लोज्ड, it is symbol of closed in the square bracket. It may be real number. That means we can include this value here. Suppose it is 3 and 5. So closed means we can take all the values 3, 4, 5, 3 to 5. This is closed. And open means if it is this common bracket, it is the open interval. That means AB means take some value between A and B. If here 3 and 5, तो ओपन इंटरवल का मतलब क्या है, 3 और 5 नहीं लेंगे, इसके बीच का वैल्यू लेंगे 4. दैट इज द ओपन. क्लोज्ड मीन्स we can take these two value and between also this some value. So let's see here number one. Question number one is verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and x belongs to minus 4 and 2. It is closed interval. तो हम लोग थ्री कंडीशंस चेक करना पड़ेगा. थ्री कंडीशंस. First we check number one. First we write here given function is fx is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and x belongs to minus 4 and 2. तो कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. अभी हाउ टू चेक इट इज कंटिन्यूस. सो इन द प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइजेस it was in I think 5.1 many questions we have done. This type of function is polynomial function, and polynomial function is already continuous. So we write here since it is a polynomial function, डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं polynomial function, exponential function, logarithm function, all are the continuous. So number one is, we write here this number one is it is continuous in closed interval AB. और जब ये continuous होगा so definitely it will be differentiable. It is differentiable in open interval AB. So number 3 is two conditions fulfilled here. Number 3 is fa is equal to fb means it is a. We can compare here this function ab. That means if it is ab, that means we find this fa. Fa means it is a, it is b. That means f minus 4. So f x is minus 4, Now see here, minus 4 को square plus 2 into x is minus 4 minus 8. So minus 4 is equal to 16 plus into minus 2 4 is 8 minus 8. So 16 minus 16 becomes 0. Now fa comes here. अब लेंगे fb. fb, b means 2. a is minus 4, b is 2. So f2 put in this function. 2 square, जहाँ जहाँ x है वहाँ पर क्या रखेंगे, 2 रखेंगे, because value of the b is 2 minus 8, 2 को स्क्वायर 4 प्लस 4, 2 to the 4 minus 8, तो 4 plus 4 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So third condition also satisfied here. So therefore f minus 4 is equal to f2. So that means third condition also here satisfied. Therefore f minus 4 is equal to f2. So if three conditions satisfied, so we can find one other this real number c. So we write here, this means that all the conditions of Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Three conditions are satisfied. So now three conditions applicable here, so all three things. Thereafter what we write, then there exists this real number c, real number c, and this belongs to real number c belongs to ab. ab means our ab is minus 4 and 2. That means therefore this f dash c is equal to 0. ये तीन कंडीशन फुलफिल होने के बाद we take some real number between this ab open interval f dash c. That means first we have here fx is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. So f dash x means it is ddx of x square plus 2x minus 8. f dash x means we find this differential of this function. So what we get, f dash x differential of x square 2x, this 2 into 1, it is constant 0. That means 2x plus 2, and that means f dash is equal to 0. So here f dash x is c is equal to 2, x is c because x is putting here c, 2c plus 2, the f dash is equal to 0. It is 0. Therefore 2c plus 2 is equal to 0, or 2c is equal to minus 2. That means c is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 1. That means value of c is coming minus 1. That means f dash c is equal to 0. f dash c is minus 1 is equal to 0, and this minus 1 belongs to open interval this minus 4 and 2. Minus 4 and 2. So clearly we can see here this minus 1 इसके बीच में ही आएगा, because on the number line 0 1 2 this side -1, -2, -3 and here -4. So -1 is here. That means -4 और 2 के बीच में क्या आ गया? -1. That means hence Rolle's theorem, question was for the Rolle's theorem is verified with what is the c? C is equal to -1. So it is the complete solution. तो Rolle's theorem में क्या देखना है? We need three things. Function is continuous in AB, close interval AB. It is differentiable. जब continuous होगा तो differentiable भी होगा ये. And third case f is equal to fb. We find out, and here we are getting same. F minus 4 is 0 and f2 is also 0. So this condition is coming here. F is equal to fb. Then there exists a real number c in AB such that f dash. इसका differentiate निकालेंगे तो differential of x square plus 2x minus 8. We get here 2x plus 2 and this becomes 0. So c is getting -1 and this -1 must be this bit lies